Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the app and OS version because behavior differs across releases. Once done, back up the original photo so you preserve pixels. Next, open the photo in the app or Photos and tap Edit or Info to reveal overlays. You want to locate the emoji or sticker layer. Many apps listed under Layers, Stickers, or Markup. Tap that layer and choose Remove or Delete. This detaches the emoji from the image without altering the base file. Once you've removed an obvious sticker, make sure to inspect whether the emoji was flattened into pixels. If so, duplicate the image first to avoid data loss. Use content-aware fill, clone stamp, or healing tools to reconstruct the background where the emoji sat. These tools work because they sample surrounding pixels and maintain texture. Export an intermediate PNG to preserve transparency when you plan further edits, and keep incremental saves. You finish by doing a careful, zoomed inspection at 100% to ensure no artifacts remain. If everything looks seamless, save the edited image as a new file and keep the original backup. Make sure to note which app and settings removed the emoji so you can repeat the process later. If you see halos or cloning artifacts, revert to your backup and try a different editor or an AI retouch tool. They often handle complex textures better. One key tip: check permissions if the app won't allow edits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.